So are you having the same arguments and fights over and over again? Stop that crazy cycle today. You don't have to live in that insane cycle. Instead of repeating the same fights, take time to truly fix the issue and repair the relationship. So here's some quick tips for repairing your relationship. Talk about it. Really talk about it. Try saying it in a new way. Explain how it makes you feel when your spouse does the things that send the two of you into a fight. Talk about a plan of action to fix it. And please, when you're talking to each other, talk kindly with grace as you talk about the issue. Forgive. Don't hold on to the past hurts. Forgive your spouse. Verbalize that you forgive them. Take time to remember that your spouse is not your enemy. They're not trying to purposely hurt you. Remember that you are a sinner too and not perfect. Because you need grace, extend grace to your spouse and ask God to help you forgive your spouse. Rebuild trust by actually changing. The best way to rebuild trust in this area is to take that plan of action you talked about seriously and to work on changing. Don't repeat the issue. Follow through with change. Ask for God's help as you do this. If you've tried all these and you're still struggling, I urge you to get help. It may not seem like a big deal, but it's always good to talk to a pastor or a Christian counselor if you're stuck in the same fights. Most couples wait too long before seeing a counselor. Don't wait. Be proactive. A third-party professional can really help you repair issues and take the fights off of repeat.